Egbe tene eyende yabasona ne yabasabre yemra so se ensem ansentrofo eti ohugu monte so kota se ne se bisipa ne kodua haba no se mufo so atena ase abomodin de nani krotwaresia ne hene ti asantemu no ayi mu deku amansem ne nyina dondon saboboye ti yeba betena se ya wuro ho nyina sa tokọ ne de asom ne de asom so mpam na ene ensem a etwaguo ne edoso pa unya subscribe to YouTube channel na subscribe to your YouTube channel na face no Facebook and so ubetumi a follow wo ho afen so TikTok nyina no Kilo One TV a follow ya ensem a kotwi kobrema ne de ye de beso mo na da bia wanya bi ehwe no wanya bi enso atie ensem no de bedimu akotene ebi ene se Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ose sikabuo bi a watwa de ato de bema eye technical universities e wo Ghana no ano ede ne pa ne bebo anso amadwubadi na konkan sanso na okopiem e wo Ghana mrase bedwafie a eye minority dom kuma na e wo mrase bedwafie no de woda won ano eye afenyo Markins or the nsem ababetu edwasobo bi a watabri di abo Ghana mampanyi no ano ede ne pa obeti emu ensem ebi okopiem e wo Cape Coast Cape Coast asen ene eye Kumase Kwantempo ni so no enema bi akoso ho a ani enya na ye nyamra sempa ewo eye highway ni so eno so ye bebo modia na ya besebese nsem na nsem bi ka we hu ni yabobo no aye de eba besomo sa abre shene so se G Vintage Delight omo ene so yasene emia ni abre nyina no ye de ensem no ebremo G Vintage Delight o UK Mountain so Pegana local drink asana so bolo Burkina ena Lamoji anoma na wabo modia amansaka G Vintage Delight sanso na eye Sankobite nso ope eye cake ana pastries anything bia chale me de masahwe ntina medi ho adanse ne Sankobite omunso ewo eye UK Edmonton so oko Instagram a search Sankobite wa wansa akom na no modi nsa wo so na bibiara cookies de oye numere on ma di cookies but Sankobite cookies e kama no mi hu difference no eti bomodia na onsa enso enka wo mo hye so se midin erikwasi aje nyako beti afrem kilo bakope the only man with Scottish swag yesha samna se ani yesha se afri Ghana mampanyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na kache na eyena no de ya ena dwumadie bi so ewo Technical University a ewo Takrade atoye mantam eno ene eye enhyehyedie bi a wode egu akwan mu a na wo hwe se ye chisa eye Polytechnic e de call eye Technical University no emfie makomako edunie eno ntino wotena ase ya no odwendwen ho se so hyehyedie ba ye no moa abeboa oman Ghana yesuapon ahodo no ena mampanyi John Dramani Mahama eso ekopiem ho bia ode ne nsem eto edwa na mampanyi ekire se asase no na ade emu ode ne pa na enye beten se obetimi asesa aye Polytechnics no ere akọ university na nso no mpanifu a ehwe ye ema sanhyehyede ni nyina eba mu no wobo won abaso pa ese wode hyehyede papa emapa egu akwam ema sa ade no ekoso na dwumadi a wodi a eye fourth applied research conference eba so no eno na mampanyi eto aso eka nsem kire se sa dwumadi yi ebeboa pa ama eye amamuo ena eye innovators ena afenso no entrepreneurs ne ade ne de ebe support o mana se bebo won pa ma won dwumadi a wodi no akọ enkan a ente bia no innovators a yebi hu o man Ghana mu no ano ebe ye den pa na mampanyi ede ne kasa eba wie na o kire se ade se next year budget a obe ekenkan ewo o man Ghana mu no ade se odisikabuto bi ebehwem Technical Universities e wo Ghana nyina no obia ebenya 10 million Ghana cedis 10 million Ghana cedis na ono so ede aye nsiesie de ewo ne suapon mu anase ne suku mu se ne ebeya adisuafo ne achechirefo nyina enso ebe henhan omo ewo eye suku ni mu anase suapon no emu yenkotie ye mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ne nsem bia ode to edwa.
Exactly 10 years ago, in this very auditorium, we took the bold decision to convert the polytechnics into technical universities. Today, we can be proud of the work that we did. But as the chairman of the Technical University Vice Chancellor said, there's still more work to do in terms of infrastructure, in terms of putting the essentials that will improve the learning outcomes. There's still a lot of work to do. And so we consulted quickly with Minister of Education and decided that we will provide the 10 million seed money to each technical university. It will be allocated in next year's budget. And so you'll get 10 million cedis to decide what you exactly want to do with it in each of your universities. That decision to convert the polytechnics to technical universities was not merely an institutional reform. It was a strategic national intervention to advance skills development, strengthen applied research, deepen industry collaboration, and produce a highly competent workforce capable of driving Ghana's industrial future. Today, it is deeply gratifying to witness the remarkable growth and rising relevance of our technical universities within Ghana's educational and economic landscape. As we celebrate 10 years of this transformation, this anniversary must also be a moment of honest national reflection. 10 years is long enough for us to ask the difficult yet necessary questions. And these are that: have our technical universities truly become the engines of industrial transformation that we envisaged? Have they sufficiently shaped national productivity, technological advancement, manufacturing, and enterprise development? Have they become the central actors in addressing Ghana's real economic and developmental challenges? These questions are not intended as criticism. They are a challenge to all of us, government, academia, industry, and policymakers alike, to move from institutional existence to transformational impact.
Wini ensema Ghana Mampany His Excellency John Dramani Mahama editu edwa na yeso yeti hu bi edi amawo yemfiri Mampany akache ne yemfa yani enchiremu ewo Ghana mrase bedwafie. Odwani echiremu ewo Ghana mrase bedwafie a yese dom kuma ewo ho meche minority ewo mrase bedwafie won ba no dani de oda won no eye honorable Afenyo Maken edi nsem ababetu dwa asobo ena ode bo Ghana Mampany His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ena afi nso no eya ade se NDC amanyoko no wode sobo abompa ne nsem a wo kan nyina kire se ya ade se na ada ena Mampany ene NDC amanyoko no ede adada unemployment ewo oman Ghana o cheche ne nsem na o chese ahombambo adwuma na wo fa nkrofo amoma kwa akoye adwuma ne be meche security personnel na ye fa nkrofo recruitment ekoso no ya ade se na Mampany eni mpefe SCC kabote watwa ato ho na nipa ebetumi afom no empim enum nanso nkrata na se forms a ba bonten so a woton ye no na etwen kuroi na woni mpefe se ade se nipa a woton nkrata ade amom ni nyina no enya de se obenya adwumadie no mu ekwan na waba adwumadie no bi nanso no oye hwehan echinchim nkrofo yi ensa agi won sika enya de se adwuma no nyina no wode ma wom afi woto aso edesombo ebo Ghana Mampany ese ne bohye bi a wo hye yese oba abanwa mu a obebo modia no ahwe emma sika korabia metire Women's Bank na wasi kama pa no de sika botin ahye mu no nyina so no enya ade a yese Mampany adi hu adwuma enti mfuturo pa en wato agu amanfo ani a na ada enso ena ode ama unemployment ewo oman Ghana yentie honorable Afenyo Maken ne nsema a okan emra a wode conference ehihye so.
One excuse after the other. When it comes to recruitment into the security services, they know that per their own budget, they can only contain 5,000 recruits. Yet they sold forms to hundreds of thousands of people, and even the 200,000 that qualified for medicals, that they are taking the money that these students will be recruits will be charged for medicals after going through difficult time in this so-called AI aptitude test. They know that the monies that they will be charging, these innocent, unemployed Ghanaian youth will not get their jobs. Yet, a party of propaganda still went ahead. And when we criticized it in Parliament, they now came back and told us they are going to increase the numbers to 10,000. Even if you maintain the 10,000, it is not even up to 10%. So, again, they are scamming all of us. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, to conclude, we are aware that they themselves promised Ghanaian women bank. They said they were going to establish a bank solely for women. They were going to give loans. What has become of that loan? We've not even seen the bank. We've not seen the bank. And people are desperate. They came and rather dismissed people who were lawfully employed. And more youths are sitting at home because NDC came into office and sacked them. We have several of it. We moved the motion on the floor and they frustrated the motion because they want to hide it. That is NDC for you. Thank you very much indeed.
If I any students and full from them for any and copium a Cape Coast, a sim for Su Cape Coast, a Kumasa Quantum so a idea say, we need a CBS who are no any in pa. None other and in Subrani, Ejemu, Egu, Ghana, Montensoa, na annoyed. Na Sutari be a dahon, some so a dasso, metre, a train, and as a bridge, was no. A idea say a home a kaya, Emma, soon a year for one, just say a shanko and a shame man of the Sanibia. Ensu intimi entiatia no chacha mu entra ensu no enkonaja eno ena omanfo bi e wo ho no ye no ehwetwe enkomo ena wo kire se eyade se wo ma nyina eka suku mu a wokoye no esanse ensu no de na asifa ya fanti no obia entimi emfamu mpo ena wakọ akwakofa ne ba e wo suku mu yenko no yenkotie emanfo no nsem bi a wokan na desrede a wode to Ghana mampanyi ani
ye we no kra enya be too simple ne san ba ho a ye be ye sa ha kakra na san so we to ne de ebi to ma etwam ebi to ne twam na na de e free be for this day ba be see ne ya gina e de ya ni abre papa ye ma nyina akoka school na uni obi obetwa san so e de ma wa oba be ka school mu ho e ma ne de ye ntumi ntwa nti eja ye go akire na ye di momombe nti esra mo pa esra ban ne mpanimfo ne NDC ne oma mbegbo aye nyina omomode amehwe metwa ye ni hwe ye nsu yi maye se nsu yi ugina ha bi na hu se de na asia kona anhwe a wa hu de obeye hu mpo ti esra ban pa ye pa ne chew ontwa na ni mehwe ye ka bato no se ye ka se chobo ye efiri ha de ko ye nto aba nyoma bibiri be sai yesre yan ka se nto aba e beto aba yesre na ontwa na ni mehwe ye bejiwe emma ye
eno achi ena eye nadmo panyin a wowo empotamu ho nso so ede ensem betu dwa se obesre adrobafo anasa hyenkanfo nyina ese obeye afeyie pa se oduru sa ebiai ho na wobeto wombo ase nkakra na watwa ensuo no se ne ebeya enkofa atowreche manase oye ne bia emre omanfo no na ohyenkani baako a yebo epini no ene na etwetwe nkomo no ede ensem etu yenim se eya de se ono nso no emra na wotwam e wo ho se ne nsuo na aye ayire asifa afa no enya de se otimi ede ne hye na fa mu ntide oye ne se o de ne hye no esi baabi no dum ni jakope baabi edaaye kusi se ade chinya nsuo na twetwe akofo a afi na otimi afamu nkakra nso akọ baabi a okọ no ni nyina no eye adesrede o kire se afi etwa mu no nsuo ni bi eto sa ma the same ade comment no esi enti obesre aban no se o mitwe nani enhwe sa nkwantempo no ena afi nso no eye ensamso mechire bridge no na won siesi ema won kama se ne be ya ayene anasa atorentem bia ensi e won potamo yenkotie drabani no emra
very, very bad. Yesterday I came, I have to return, I couldn't cross it because the water level was so high and the car couldn't cross it. I tried using the other bridge through Asin Adadientem. That one too, I wasn't able to cross it. So I have to wait for today if I was able to cross it. And this is just the beginning of the rainy season. Last year, the same. This year too, the same. And if you don't take it, to be worse. Yes, and we have complained, nobody cares about it. They keep on saying it's the contractor. Then they started naming the bridges. They said it's MPP bridge, it's NDC bridge, and all those things. So we're even planning on a demonstration that hopefully next week it will come on. Because on the other side of the other bridge, there has been numerous accidents which has caused life and all those things. And one of the victims is just on this road. We saw him sitting down there. He's paralyzed now. Can't even walk. So most of the accidents involve the tricycles and then the motorcycles and then some taxis and other cars. But it was very bad. It was very dangerous. I wish you could go there and see yourself. So that's the only 2 entries to the village, surrounding village. And we have over 300 surrounding villages. I have a very big project which people have been coming all over the world. And yesterday some of them couldn't come. They have to return because of the bridge. We informed the DCE. He came there and said, well, the contractor. Everybody is pointing to figure out the contractor. So we don't know where to go again.
Abusiafo we any ensem bi a ekoso ewo oman Ghana mu a yede besom mo ne yede asom mo so mpam no yegusu a yede eye ensem no bi eba besom mo ene de no yede besi ewo ha esei na afin so no da foforo no ya pe ensem a ekoso ne bi ne yede asom mo ne yede asom mo so mpam hye so say ag vintage delight na afin so no sanko by tomo ene so ya sene yede ensem yi enyina ebra midin di kwasi age nyako betia from Kilo Bakope, the only one who is Scottish. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, and our friends. So no, X. Ninyana baby mo and follow ye na bibia enko enkan enfama mo empempi mitai ka said your body techere ma ene na ho ban no aya wo twe ne kra efiri amane hunum ti bo techere ma ene wa no ho ban no wankwa ankoto amaniem ye besan hia bio makra pia